Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. Setting up a Python server and a C++ client is a common scenario in network programming. In this tutorial, we'll create a simple server using Python and a corresponding client using C++. We'll use sockets for communication between the two. Let's start by creating a Python script for the server. Save the following code in a file named python_server.py. Next, let's create a C++ client. Save the following code in a file named cpp_client.cpp. Open two terminal windows. In the first window, run the Python server. In the second window, compile and run the C++ client. You should see output indicating that the server received a connection and the client received a response. This simple example demonstrates the basic communication between a Python server and a C++ client using sockets. Feel free to expand upon this example for more complex use cases, error handling, and security considerations. ChatGPT.